Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you this delicious and special black pepper chicken recipe you can try at home. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to get chicken 300 grams which you cut in thin bite-sized pieces. So to the chicken we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and we're gonna mix them all up until well combined. In the meanwhile, why don't you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos. So to the pan we're adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. You may deep fry them, but I prefer it this way. And I'm gonna place the chicken, make sure they don't stick, and cook until the flour on top of the chicken becomes cooked. Then we're gonna flip. And now we're gonna cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the flour on the other side has been cooked properly. So now that I think my chicken has been cooked, I'm gonna place them aside and I'm gonna pour 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And into it I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Let's saute it for a little while. So now I'm adding half cup of onion and a half cup of green capsicum. And to it we're adding 3 to 4 green chilies. And then we are going to saute it again for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. We're going to place the cooked chicken inside the pan and we're going to saute it again for another 1 to 2 minutes. So we have half teaspoon of black pepper. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less salt if you like, according to your taste. And now we're mixing well. Over here I'm adding chicken powder, which is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna combine this all well together. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then we're gonna mix this again pretty well until well combined. Now I'm adding water, which is 200 ml. And I'm gonna cook this again for another 3 to 4 minutes. To make the mixture more thicker, we can add corn flour, which is 1 tablespoon, and 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna mix this well and add gradually according to how much you need. We're gonna mix this and cook for another 2 minutes. So now our black pepper chicken recipe is ready. You can serve this with fried rice or boiled rice, whatever you prefer, or you can eat this alone. So I really hope you loved this recipe. If you did, please subscribe and like the video, share it with your friends and family, and yeah, bye.